Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to create account online Messenger. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to create an account online Messenger. Maybe you want to create account on it because you have seen someone else using it and you find it really relevant to you and you want to give it a try. Or maybe there's someone like your friend or someone else who is using Line, so you want to communicate with them, so you want to create account on it. It could be any other reason for you to create account on it. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. So first you have to make sure that you have already installed the Line Messenger from Google Play Store or App Store, and once you have installed it, just simply tap on its icon to open the app. Once app gets open, you will see its interface. First, it will welcome you by just saying welcome to Line. Here we have two options, login and sign up. So we have to click on sign up because we are here to create account. So just simply tap on its option, and once you tap onto this option, you have to enter your contact number that you are using right now. Here you have to make sure that you enter the contact number that is in use because it will send a verification code on it, and if the number is powered off or not you're using it, so your account will not be created. Here we also have a list of countries, so you can select the country in which you are living or from which country your number belongs, so you can choose that. After that you have to enter your contact number and it will send a verification code to it, and you have to enter that verification code here, and then it will take you to the next step where you have to complete a captcha. A captcha could be of anything. It could ask you for something like this, and you have to complete it, you have to verify it. Now it will ask you if you are new on the app or if you have already account, so you have to click on that you are new because we are here to create account, that's why you don't have any previous account. Once you tap on it, it will ask you to enter your name and upload your profile picture, so you can add any kind of name. And if you don't want to upload a profile picture, then you can skip this thing and click onto this green option, and later on you can upload a profile picture whenever you want. And after that you have to enter your password. Make sure you enter the password according to the instructions that are written here. So you have to enter your password twice. First you have to tap at the top, and after that you have to confirm it again, and after click on this option it will again just take a while to load, and after that your account will be created. So as you see, our account has been created. Now you can contact with your friends, can send them message, call them, video call them, and can do whatever you want to do with them. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can create an account online Messenger. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.